Hi guys, today we're doing a tier list. In case you haven't seen a tier list before, tier lists are fun stuff to rank things. Fast food restaurants, Pokemon, video games, and more. So I'm doing a tier list. I'm gonna rate the Eas Alarms. First off, let's do the USA. I've seen this alarm many times. Not that scary anymore. Next, Canada. I guess it's kind of scary, although I can't see it. Also, I'm gonna skip the ones that are not in there. Not even scary. It's pretty decent, a decent sound. Oh, good lord. This is freaking scary. I rate it a 8 out of 10.
See if this magnetic device actually does its job. Oh, wait.
Oh my god. Aliens are invading the world. I don't want to go there. No. Just no. If you hear this sound, it will literally steal your soul. This is the same as USA's, but I don't see it because it's not a country. And now for Singapore. Singapore. Not scary. That sound literally jump scared me. I don't see it anywhere. This isn't scary. It has like a funky beat, like a doom, 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 doom. You know? Please, I do not want to get arrested. That sound is just beep. And not scary. Ireland. Just to trigger the people who are from Ireland, I rate this sound a 2 out of 10. This is literally hurting my ears, although it's like ear, you know the word. Okay, I don't see it. Although it is a scary sound. It's even scarier than Siren Head and Godzilla. And there's the Great Britain. I rate this 7 out of 10. You guys might want to turn down your volume. Okay, this is scary. Although, I don't see it anywhere. It half scary, half not scary. It's like someone spinning too much. It's pretty good, although I don't see it anywhere. It is. This sound is like a noise. So I rated 7 out of 10. And it's saying not vaso vigtig melodies. Even though I don't speak Danish. And here's Chinese.
10、9、8、7、6、5、4、3、2、1。
The countdown until it's the end of the world. No. Here's the Egypt Eas Alarm in English.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. The following message is transmitted to the request of the Arabian Republic of Egypt. This is not a test. A nuclear attack is occurring against Egypt. A nuclear warhead has been launched from the United States and they are expected to strike Egypt within 15 minutes. Due to the uncertain facts about this missile, all residences of Egypt should seek out and prepare to take shelter immediately.
Well, I guess this is scary, and I swear if you hear that sound, it will literally take you away. And what does it look like if it is in Arabic? If this has copyright in it, then I'm okay. There's no copyright of the sound, like the music in the advertisement. Let's see what it is. Oh my freaking god. I don't want to go to Egypt. Please, guys, I'm begging you. Okay, so it is Normie's fake Eas Alarm. If you don't know what Normie is, he's a YouTuber and he rates probably like Eas alarms. And I like the fake one. I'll remix it. Okay, this is good. I rate it a 0 out of 10 because it's nice. I don't want to die. Now for France. And this that Eas alarm has swearing. So the France government, if you are watching this, stop swearing, you pieces of. Sorry about that. Just had to let it out. And now for Brazil. Help me. They are taking me to Brazil. Now, the Switzerland alarm. Not scary. Oh my god, it is Ukraine. I still respect Ukraine because of the war, but I don't like the Eas alarm. It's a car, but half scary, half not crazy. I mean, half not scary. And this is a 10 out of 10. I'm scared if I hear that. So that is it, guys. So there are just two little flags that are making the shape of an E, and I'm gonna rate the ones to 0 because they are not in there. That is it, guys. Bye.